guys, what's going on here? It's Ron here with another video. Today we're going to be doing Q&A plus paper airplane video. How to make a good paper airplane. So we have Amar on the computer. Yeah. Amar, say hi.
Hi.
Okay, so first step is to just use like a photo of that. Use like that, make sure it's even. Then use your next step. So your next step, I'm just trying to do the best you can. Then you just want to, like this. Okay, and boom. Plus, we're going to be doing a Q&A. Let's get started. So, Amar, just think of random questions that they probably want to know. Okay, so if you're wondering what grade we are in, we are actually in, should we tell that? Okay, we're just gonna skip that question. How long did you have your YouTube channel, should you say?
I started my
So Amar basically started, I can't hear what he's saying, but I started 3 months ago about, and me and Amar started our channel on the same day, so.
Yeah, it's October 18th.
Yeah, October 18th. So what you're going to want to do is what you have with this, you just want to fold it over, and then it's going to be something like that. Okay? And then you must be like, oh yeah, Ryan, everyone already knows the start. No, you don't. Then what you want to do is you want to take this tip and just fold it down about to the end of these wings right here. Okay, now listen to this. Take this crease and just easily fold on that crease. Okay? And boom, like this, okay? Perfect. Then make the wings lined up like this. Let me just show you. Make the wings lined up by the end of here, okay? Do it on the other side. And yes, I will have a better angle from the top view if you're wondering that. Yeah, I will next time. But this time I was in a rush, so. Give me a minute, guys. I'm just going to redo my plane, because my plane I accidentally did wrong, so. No, you guys did right. Those are the exact correct steps, just that I wasn't that even, and it won't fly out. Okay, before you start flying it, I just have to tell you a few things about this plane. So, this plane is very far-flying plane. It will fly across the room. Let me just redo this. Okay. Boom, like that. And then fold it like nice like that. Lined up. Boom. I'm going to show you the finished product, what it's supposed to look like. Okay, there you go. Here you go, this is the final product. Okay, it doesn't matter if these wings are not like even. So I'm going to show you a flight, okay? Right here. Here you go. You can tell, but it flew beautifully. There's that, I'll show you again. Beautiful. I mean, I did that one, but I was camera. Let me do it again. Get over there. And it's just going to go really far. And I'll see you guys next time for the next paper airplane video. See ya.